साबिक रियासती वजीर व BRS के कारगुजार सदर तारक रामाराव ने कहा है कि SLBC वाक़े के सिलसिले में हुकूमत को चाहिए कि वो फौरी तौर पर कामों में तेज़ी पैदा करे ताकि टनल में फंसे हुए वर्कर्स को बचाने में कामयाबी हासिल की जा सके। उन्होंने इल्ज़ाम लगाया कि ये जो वाक़या पेश आया है हुकूमत और बिलखुसूस महकमे की गफलत की वजह से पेश आया है।
We demand the state government, the Congress government in Telangana, to come forward immediately in light of recent spate of incidents that have happened, spate of mishaps that have happened purely because of neglect of the government, neglect of the concerned department. We had seen the entire retaining wall of Sunkishala project going down, causing almost damages to the extent of hundreds of crores. Likewise, the Sri Sailam left bank canal tunnel, which unfortunately collapsed, and about 8 people are still trapped for the last 72 hours. We demand that the government come forward, immediately constitute a judicial commission headed by a sitting judge of the High Court, and make sure that every single fact comes out, because there are stories and rumors and information being received by media and opposition parties as well, that the government did not take any kind of scientific measures before they restarted the work after 4 years. Geological Survey of India's experts, who supposedly are supposed to come in, visit, inspect and then give the go-ahead, apparently have not been called. No go-ahead was obtained, and the government recklessly forced the agency to start the work. Unfortunately, because of the negligent attitude of the department, of the agency, lack of oversight, lack of supervision, today a disaster has happened, causing hundreds of crores of damages to the exchequer's money. Not only that, 8 precious lives are still trapped. We demand that the government come forward and constitute a judicial commission headed by a sitting High Court judge, and come out with all facts and figures and ensure that these 8 lives are also saved as soon as possible with serious and intense rescue efforts.
Germantown Super Speciality Hospital, National Award winner Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, German trained senior orthopedic surgeon and director, Mahir doctors Dr. Wasif Azam और Dr. Bharvi Chunduri, senior cardiologist और दीगर डॉक्टर्स नुमाया खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं। रोबोटिक सर्जरी, एडवांस कैथ लैब, MRI, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU, 2D अल्ट्रासाउंड जैसी सहूलियात से आरास्ता कॉर्पोरेट लेवल हॉस्पिटल, वाजबी फीस में हर मर्ज से शिफायाबी के लिए जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, अतापुर।